Hi guys, Olivia Hart here, and today I have got not just a strategy but a real challenge for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you a strategy so simple that you need only one indicator. So follow the rules, stick to money management, and you are all set. Ready? Let's get started. Let's dive right in with our first trade. This one's a buy. We're using moving averages, and the first one has a period of 10. I have set it to green. And the second one has a period of 30 with a yellow color and 2px thickness. The third moving average has a period of 70. I have chosen gray and a thicker line for better visibility. And guys, important note, all moving averages are set to the SMMA type. Meanwhile, our first trade is closing in profit. And yes, first profit secured, so let's confidently open another buy trade. Okay, now is a good time to explain how to spot signals using this strategy. The slow moving average indicates an upward trend, and the crossover of the faster moving averages confirms the buy signal, showing strong upward momentum. And yes, we're seeing an excellent impulse here, which I'm confident will continue. Okay, there it is, another profitable trade. I think it might seem simple, but stick around until the end for all the details. Oh, 2 minutes in and $920 secured. Let's keep moving. Okay, looks like we have got a good sell signal here. So let's break this one down. What do you notice? I see gradual downward trend and a signal from the faster moving averages. The price dropped, made a small retracement, and now it should continue falling. As you can see, this trade was a little nerve-wracking, but I trust this strategy, and for good reason, because profits already in the account. So let's move on. Here is another promising sell setup. Can you spot it? Okay, just look at these crossovers and the trends in the moving averages. Plus, the gap between the fast and slow moving averages shows strong selling pressure right now. Slowly but surely another trade closes in profit. Payout wasn't great, but let's open another trade, guys. Now the situation is even more interesting, opening a sell. And what do we see here? The moving averages align perfectly. A massive downward impulse confirms the trade of the sellers. Even the support level won't hold here. The signal and momentum suggest the level will be broken. Oh, look at that beauty. I absolutely love trades like this. A perfect way to wrap up, don't you think? Guys, I hope that you like this and ready to secure profits on your own. So my results with this strategy you can see on the screen, and now it's your turn. So links to the platform and to my Telegram channel are in the description. That means you can start right now. Also, I share test signals every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will see you there. So wish you all the profits. Until next time.